Have you ever felt so weighed down, so empty, so tired, that even getting out of bed feels impossible? When sadness creeps in, and depression clouds your mind, it can feel like the world is closing in. In those dark moments, we search for answers. Some turn to distractions, some try to numb the pain. But what if you just paused and prayed? Prayer isn't a ritual. It's not reserved for the perfect. It's not about having the right words. It's a cry from the heart. It's a whisper in the silence. It's saying, God, I don't have the strength right now, but I know you do. You don't need fancy words. You don't need to be in a church. You just need to be honest. Lord, I'm hurting. I don't know what to do. I feel lost, but I'm calling out to you. Be my light in this darkness. I need you. Even if nothing changes right away, something inside you will. Peace begins to stir. Hope begins to breathe. Because when you pray, you're not alone anymore. You're handing the weight to the one who can carry it all. Prayer may not remove the storm, but it reminds you, you're not facing it alone. So if you're feeling sad, if you're feeling lost or broken, don't run from God. Run to Him. Even in the silence, He hears. Even in the pain, He's near. Pray. Even when it's hard. Especially when it's hard.